Hey, Dan here, and welcome to the blog. This is under my day trading. Again, I'm not a professional trader. I just trade because I trade. And it's something that I sometimes enjoy doing because I get to spend my money and make money. This is a follow-up on my issue with ChoiceTrade because they do everything manually. Even getting money into the accounts. I'm with First Trade, and they'll set up an arch payment, so you can just automatically back and forth to your account just by, punching buttons. Also, First Trade, ChoiceTrade, if you don't trade over a quarter, they will charge you. So you lose money there. If you want to, when you're trying to put money into your account, you have to download an arch payment form. You have to fill it out, and then you have to get it back to them, and then they'll do it. They also have wire transfer. Well, unfortunately, all my banks charge $25 to, transfer by bank, by wire. Or if you want to do a certified check, still you gotta do it that way, and then you're paying money. So you're trying not to spend money to make money, But I found First Trade is the easiest way to do it. I sold all my stocks the other day with First Trade. I'm doing it with ChoiceTrade as well. I'm going to try a new system of trading. Supposedly it's in part of the option trading. You put your you're getting into a club, and they're showing you how to do this, and you spend 15 minutes at the beginning of the week on a stock, and then at the end of the week, you're done, and whatever money you've made, and supposedly you're going to make money whether it's high, flat, or low. And supposedly you can trade with big trading companies that you can't afford to buy a stock with. Talking like a Google, Tesla, Amazon. All those are $12 to $3,000 a stock. I can't afford that right now. Hopefully this company is going to be able to, or this club that I'm getting into will show you how to do that. So, but getting into this club, you're already $1,500 in the hole, because it costs you $1,500 to get into this club. So, we'll keep you up to date. We'll see what happens, and all my, that's the thing. I don't have time to sit here and play with the numbers like I used to. So, and I should, because I'm semi-retired, but things just aren't moving. So I'm using the funds that I did this with to try something new in investing. So thanks again for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, definitely share. If you've heard programs like this, don't hesitate to comment, and we'll catch you on my next day trading. Again, I'm not a professional trader. I'm just a blue collar that is dabbling in the trades. Also keep in mind with ChoiceTrade, if you don't have enough money in your account to cover the quarterly fee for being stagnant, they will mark all your they will sell some of your stock to take care of that debt. So keep that in mind. So even if you want to go in and sell it yourself, they'll set when I just went in to do this as a trade now, and it says this account is set for liquidate only. So, I hate this company. Unfortunately, it was the very first company I got into, because it was the first one that said, oh, no more fees to do whatever. No fees to sell. That pulls you in, and now you're stuck. Probably going to charge me money to freaking give me my money, But I do not recommend ChoiceTrade.